Testing, testing. Okay. Guess I'm just gonna get back to working on my one button platformer. Hey Amanda, what am I gonna work on today? I I honestly have no idea. I just got it to run on my Android phone, and I got it to I uploaded it to Google Play, right, for internal testing at the moment. So that's one thing. I was thinking maybe I can just make some levels, because obviously I'm still short on levels, right? I need like some of the more difficult levels. How's your day? Oh yeah, let me start up the Twitch overlay thing. Okay. Anyways, what should I work on? I did manage to fix a few bugs. Some of the physics bugs that has been bugging the project for quite a while, I have managed to fix it. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what I should work on next. Hello, Kalazor. Hello. Hello. I'm streaming today merely because I want to make it a habit. Yeah, but I honestly don't know what I should work on today. I'm not sure if I'm ready to code the new mechanics. I think I'll make a new level. Hello, Daniel. Yeah, man. I'll go back at it again. Yeah. I have these like small levels to test something. I used to have a bug that was like it's a very silly bug that I did not fix for the longest time. Yeah, but I managed to fix it. So let me show you what I mean. Let's run it. Oh, by the way, no dev chat tomorrow. I have an appointment somewhere. And starting next week, my streaming schedule will have to be changed because the new semester is starting, which means I have like not a lot of time to work on my game again. Damn. Yeah, I have classes to teach. That is right. That is correct. Oh, sorry. Hang on, let me lower the volume. I apologize for the loudness of my game. Gonna get my second jab. Yeah, tomorrow is the second jab. Tomorrow. I didn't think I did not think this thing through. I chose Sunday because it was convenient for myself, but I forgot that I wasn't expecting that I would have like a Monday class on the next day, you know. So Monday is probably gonna suck for me, right? Because I will be experiencing the symptoms of the vaccine. Okay, well, what was I gonna do again? Oh, right. Init. Okay. Second jab has worse side effects. Yeah, that's the problem, right? And I have class the next day. I did not think this thing through. Probably have to like get my jab and then rest up early. What symptoms? Oh no, headache, muscle ache, fatigue, that kind of stuff. Or possible fever. If there's a fever, that means I cannot go to school, and that would be problematic. Does it actually affect everyone though? No, it does not. But I think it might affect me because I experienced a headache after the first jab. Hello, Chow. Thanks for dropping by. Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you? Let me give you a shout out. Hey, is the bot not working? Uh-oh. Anyways, you should check out Chow. Chow is working on his own indie game as well. Why is the why is the bot not working? That's weird. Let me try again. I've got a slight fever after my first jab. Yeah, I've got a slight fever. Not the type of vaccine. Well, I mean, people react differently to different vaccines, I guess. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, like I don't know a lot about this, so I better not speculate. Streamlabs is not in the chat. Oh, it usually is. Oh wow, that's weird. Huh. So Chow, what's up, man? You've been busy, right? Oh, why are you working with Godot, by the way? Oh yeah, I fixed the bug. Let me show you. Go to 63. Well, I hang on. Let me see if I can. Oh my god, I did not intend to do that. Okay. Let me show you what I mean. Let me find the previous build of the game. Oh no, this one has the audio playing. Let me lower the volume. Okay. Testing. Okay, so for some reason my headphones just died, so I'm not hearing anything. Anyways, let me know if there's something wrong. Anyways, oh, headphone is back online. That's so weird. Okay, anyways, you notice this like very low ceiling, right? If I jump, do you notice that my my horizontal speed reduced every time I hit the ceiling? Like get stuck to the wall for a bit. It happens sometimes. Yeah, but I fixed it, so it's no longer happening. It's a lot smoother now. So it's just like small stuff like this that affects the game feel, right? So I managed to fix it. It's a very silly bug. So apparently, there's a bug in my Finite State machine. There is a transition from jump to cling when I hit the ceiling, even though it's a ceiling and not a side wall. So yeah, I fixed that. Yeah, no longer slowing down when I hit the ceiling. There are also other weird stuff like the movement is like not exactly accurate when there is a lag, and that's because of a bug in my code, or some calculation error. I managed to fix that as well. That's good. Yeah, small stuff. A lot of these things are invisible until you actually play it. And speaking of playing, I've actually uploaded the testing build to Apple and to Google Play already. So I think I'm almost ready to share the URL needed, for people to participate in the playtesting. Right. Oh, you want to use it for Ludum Dare? I see. Oh, that's exciting. That is exciting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is correct. I have to log into Streamlabs and just turn Cloudboard on and off or something. Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe I'll do it later. Computer is lagging a bit. Daniel, do you play Brawlhalla? Never tried? Ah, I see. It's pretty fun. I wasn't expecting to enjoy it that much because I've always been more of a Smash person. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Was it the one I played? Yes, it's the one I played yesterday. Kept saying one more game, yeah. I know, right? Seemed too much like a Smash ripoff. Yeah, the concept is exactly the same, right? Yeah. Our controls feels very different though, so it's ultimately it's ultimately a different game. I would say, in some sense, I think Brawlhalla is more accessible. In that it's how do I put it? Well, I'm not like a pro. I'm not a hardcore Brawlhalla player, right? But it feels as if it's easier to get better in Brawlhalla than in Brawl, so it's in a sense more accessible that way. Hello Zuzuzu, hello. Welcome. You don't have a Switch. That means you're missing out on Monster Hunter. Haven't been here in a while. Yeah. Thanks for dropping by, man. Thanks so much. I'm just gonna do a short one today, because I have to start preparing for my part-time work as well. Yes, Monster Hunter Rise, that is correct. Hang on, the camera is always breaking. Damn it. You know what? I'm gonna try something. So instead of relying on the camera, I am just going to play a loop. Well, it's not exactly a loop, but you know. There we go. Now at least it's not some, you know, at least it doesn't look dead. Okay, let's see. It's okay, you have Monster Hunter World. Nice. Did they not like just release a release an expansion? Haven't played in a long time. I see, I see. Anyways, I'm trying to like make a few more levels, like trying to explore, trying to see like if I can make another level that still feels fresh, right? Without adding new mechanics. Not yet. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me put the spikes in there. What the? I thought I played the performance. Why did it not loop? Oh, there, it's looping again. That's weird. Okay, anyways. Last update of Monster Hunter World was a bug fix, I see.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Lucius, what's up? What's up? Big one was the movie quest that you did. What is a movie quest? From the movie. Oh, the crappy movie. I didn't watch it, but people say it's crappy. I see, I see. Interesting. Is it possible to clear this tunnel? What do you think? Let me try. Since I'm not using the camera, I'm gonna just turn the program off. Give me a moment.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Now it should perform better. Yeah, I think I will only use my camera during the daytime, where when the facial recognition is a bit more consistent. Okay, the redeem no sound. What do you mean? I just heard the sound though. Oh, it's because it's a bit too soft. There we go. Let me put it back up. There we go. Yeah, I heard the sound. Okay, let's run it. You had the volume on soft. I see. Is it possible to? Oh my god, that was easy. That's not good. Hang on, let me put this door away first. There we go. I just need to walk off. What the hell? Maybe add some near the top and bottom. Let me think about that. Ayan Yang isn't here. If not, they'll say it's too many spikes. Okay, let's try this. The more the better. Alright. Alright, we think the same way. And then got eaten by the cockroach. Oh no. Too many spikes back game. Oh, Kalazor, you can't stay awake today. Oh, then you should go and rest. Have a good rest. Let's try this. Oh, it's so easy! What the hell? I need to make it harder. Bought again, yeah. Okay, what about this? It's a bit too... It was a bit too easy. You know what? Let's just fill this up. Woo! Woo. How's this? Loving the spikes? Alright. Alright. Okay, let's see. 63. Oh! What the? Sorry, it's not case. It is case sensitive. Wait, what the? What just happened? Okay, there we go. That was weird. Anyways. Whee! Dead. Oh no, this is too much. This might be too much. This might be too much. Ah, I see. Hang on, let me think. Oh no! Yeah, a bit too much. Okay, so it's not possible, right? Not in this state. So I'm going to remove like maybe this. Then I will do something like this. I'll put some coins in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But maybe not so close to the spikes. Something like this. Alright, and I need to run the script, otherwise it will crash. So let me run the script. Reload. Okay, let's see what happens. Lucius, did you play Brawlhalla today? Okay, let's see. Go to 63. I see, that's cool. Yeah, I played a bit also, just a little bit. Am I gonna play Brawlhalla tomorrow? I'm not sure, it depends on whether I'm done prepping for Monday's class. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. You got to go in 1v1, nice. I'm still silver. Oh crap. There we go. That's the way to do it, right? You use the Lance character. Y'all should target Lucius, not me. Lucius is the better player. Okay, let's see. Oh, how's this level? You know what? I think I can give one more collectible. Yeah. Here's the thing, right? Like, I have 6 levels already, and I think now that I've like given it some thought, I feel like there's still room for more, but it has to be more difficult. Right, the room, like the levels featuring all of these same mechanics, they can afford to be a bit more difficult. Right, especially after you have cleared like 6 worlds. So at the moment I've locked down 54 levels, right, which is like exactly 6 worlds. So hang on, what's my plan again? Let me check. I don't remember what my game plan is. My game plan is... Oh my god, where did I leave my file? Oh no! Did I deleted them? Ah, poop. Yeah, I think I did. I accidentally deleted my plan. That's not good. That's not good. Is it this? Is this my game plan? It's not loading. No, this is not my game plan. Sucks. Oh man. Plan. Oh yeah, I found it. Left it on my desktop. Plan. There we go. That's my plan. Let's see. You know what would be funny? Add an enemy at the top. Oh yeah. But the enemy, my enemy is not a patrolling type. Oh. Thanks for the idea. I think I know what to do for my next enemy type. I'll make a patrolling type enemy. Because my current enemy will just walk off a cliff, so they are not like super useful to the level design. Like, I can only use them like a certain way. Yeah, but the patrolling type would be very useful. Let me see, So my plan, I have like 1 to 6 now, right? So 7 and 8. I have 2 more worlds, so I can afford to introduce more mechanics. So one of them will be patrolling type enemy, gravity flipping. Maybe I can add one more mechanic. And then level 9 to 11, right, is basically all of the harder levels. Like I'll make like harder levels, way harder. And then once that is done, there will be some sort of like a dark world thingy, where I will offer a remix of all of the previous levels, but with like time pressure element. But I think this one I will leave it to like as a post-launch update, yeah, something like that. Right, so that I can I can plan out like my content update for the game. So my plan is to be feature complete by April, right? Let me see. Oh no, I am not. I am not on track. And there may be something happening in May that would like further delay my game. I might have to go back for reservist training in May, but I've applied for deferment, so hopefully they approve my deferment, but there's no guarantee. It's a bit problematic to have like reservist training in the middle of the semester though. Like I'm gonna miss 2 weeks if I cannot get deferment. Okay, let's see. Release AdMob IAP. AdMob. I still need to work on this. Screen capture, screenshots, trailer. I need to work on this as well at some point. Hey, Kalazor! 2 birds, 1 stone. What's up? What do you mean? Resting in. I see. 2 birds, 1 stone indeed. Feature completion by April.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I should add more different sound effects. Released by June. Oh, I don't know if I can make it. I made it to the big screen. Oh, it feels great. What are the levels I have? Oh, wait, hang on. So this is 63, it's a new level. Okay, let me prepare my tablet. What other levels can I make actually? It has to be a difficult one. Oh, speaking of big screen, we all know of Five Nights at Freddy's, right? Wasn't there like some rumor back then that Five Nights at Freddy's is gonna get adapted to the big screen? Right, that like there's gonna be a Five Nights at Freddy's movie. I wonder if that's still a thing. Okay, I made 1 level. What other level can I have? Wait, what are my mechanics? Let me think. World 1 is spikes. World 2 is binary blocks. World 3 is I forgot what World 3 is. Google say yes, I see. Isn't it amazing? Like a game, like a small horror game, right? Like Five Nights at Freddy's can get so big that we even end up having a movie adaptation. Spikes. Binary blocks. What's my third one? Oh my god, I don't remember. One moment. Level 52. A small horror game. It started out small and then it exploded in popularity. Right? It kinda, yeah, I know. I mean, small in terms of scope. In terms of the scope, because the gameplay is it's in terms of scope, the gameplay is, how do I put it? The gameplay is more on the simplistic side, right? So I thought, like, I find that to be very inspirational. Like, a game that is very much doable, right, by a solo dev, can inspire so many interests from a lot of like young gamers. Look at Flappy Bird. Ah, right. And that is true. That's true. Yeah, Flappy Bird blew up as well. Enemies. World 4. World 4 is... My god, I don't remember any of the mechanics I use in these levels. Bounce pad. What about World 6? No, World 5. World 5. Level 60. Portals, of course. Of course. And then World 6 has got cannons and vertical walls. Okay, ... There's also Serious Scramblers now on Steam. Serious Scrambler is so obscure on Steam. Let's see, spikes, binary blocks, enemies, bounce pads. Yeah, but I'm serious. Like, it's crazy seeing how so many young gamers, right, who really loved Five Nights at Freddy's, and then they started to make like fan games of Five Nights at Freddy's, and then they upload it to Game Jolt, right? And they upload it in such a huge quantity, right? Such a huge. There's so many of them. So many of them making Five Nights at Freddy's fan game that the Game Jolt was flooded with the fan games, and eventually they have to like make a separate category for Five Nights at Freddy's fan games. Yeah, it's crazy. Like it's crazy to witness like such interest, right, in the games. I think every developer would love to see their games inspire people that way. Dean Flaviver made a lot regarding mobile game and they've removed it. Stop. I think he got overwhelmed by all the response. I don't think he was expecting it to blow up in that manner, right? You know, so everyone was talking about it on social media, and not everyone was talking about it in a very positive light, right? So as a developer, you know, if you're not expecting it, you know, you did not brace yourself for that. I think it can be really overwhelming and hard to take in. He said he felt guilty because it was too addicting. I mean, that's one of the reasons he said, right? But I think there are other articles that mention that you know, all of this was just a bit too overwhelming for him, all of the attention. Spikes, binary blocks, enemies. Okay, so I have spikes. I think spikes is very, very well utilized already. Is there anything that I have not used much? At least he managed to get a lot of revenue from it. Yeah, I know, right? Lovely. I realize I don't have a lot of levels with bounce pad and portals. Would that be interesting? Actually, I don't have a lot of bounce pad of anything. Developer is from Vietnam, yes. Let's see. Binary blocks, spikes, enemies. Given conversion rate, the money from Flaviver would have been really good for him, right? I would imagine that to be the case. Spikes, enemies, binary blocks and bounce pad I have not used a lot. I guess I can make use of bounce pad more. What if I have like lots of bounce pad and lots of spikes and keys in between? What if I have levels like that? Keys in between. I don't mind being a bit more cruel with the level design for these stages, and then the spikes will be at the bottom for this one. There's a bounce pad. Maybe. Let's try making another level. Yeah, I guess when I'm feeling like a bit stuck, right, on like what kind of how to code my like the mechanics, the new mechanics, I guess I can just, you know, fall back to working on levels. There we go. Let's delete this. $50K per day from ads. You think, right? You read about it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I see. That's crazy. That kind of money. But Flappy Bird is an outlier though. Flappy Bird is an outlier. I think like there are developers who will be like, hey, look at Flappy Bird, you know, we can make our own Flappy Bird and yada yada yada. But the thing is, if you make the exact same game, then it's not gonna you're not gonna get the same attention that Flappy Bird got, right? See, let me get rid of this. Okay. Crazy outlier, yeah, exactly. Crazy outlier. Okay. How should I make this level? Oops, sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, it will be a short one today because I want to go prepare for Monday's physics class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, I have to revise all the math. Don't want to forget. Don't want to forget how to do the stuff in front of students. Okay, let's see. Spikes. I teach physics? Well, I mean, I assist. Like there is a main lecturer and then there's the adjunct lecturer. So, on certain days the main lecturer will teach. On a separate day, you know, I will be the one leading the practical. So we take turns. I did not write the material, but I'm expected to guide the students. For NYP, that's right, for NYP. Yeah, so a lot of the more theoretical stuff, right, you know, calculating friction and all this stuff, I'll be honest, I've forgotten like most of them. But really, I mean, I'm not doing the lecture, right, I'm doing the practical. So I'm guiding the students with the code for you know, for the coding of the physics practical. So the coding stuff is fine, right, it's fine. It's basic physics integration that I've been doing for so long, right? And a lot about that module is linear algebra, which I've been trained in, so that is fine as well, right? But the moment you give me a paper and ask me to answer physics question, I will have some trouble. Okay, I think I got this. Oh, yay! Kalazor, what's up? Would I recommend computer science to study at a university or something like that? would I guess it really depends, right? I suppose I would, because if you have a computer science degree, you have a lot of options, I think. If you're talking about like, would I recommend a computer science degree so that you can make games? I don't think that's entirely necessary if your whole goal is to make games. Yeah, unless you're talking about going to AAA studios, then that's a different thing. Yeah, but even then, right, I think there are some self-taught programmers that still end up getting hired, in AAA studios. But I guess like it's just my own opinion, right? I think there are people who may disagree, who thinks differently. But for me, I feel like my education in DigiPen has been very beneficial. Because it's allowed me to better appreciate a lot of the code that I guess that powers our game, right? It allows me to have a better appreciation for all of the systems within the game engine itself. Right. So because in DigiPen we have to write our own engines. So at the very least, right, we have some foundation, right, on how an engine works. So so in a sense, I guess I can, if I spend the time, I can probably pick up any engines, right? Because of my foundation is there, more or less, I think. You don't want to work for anyone, open to work with people though. Plus you don't do well when it comes to academics, it just doesn't work well for you. In that case, I guess you can just self-study, right? Yeah. I think, well, what are the online options? Code Academy? Is that one? Yeah, but I guess if you're not like working for people, then a degree may not be entirely necessary, right? A comp science degree may not be entirely necessary. But then you will learn how to do stuff the right way, like OOP and stuff. Yeah, but the thing is, for, how do I put it? I feel like OOP kind of has fallen out of favor amongst the game development community to an extent, right? Like people are now talking about the ECS, right? Entity Component System, right? They say it's more optimal. It's more what do they call it? Because it's data oriented, it's more cache efficient, right? Your games will run better and stuff like that. So I guess those are just like different coding design philosophies, right? So you don't really have to like stick to, say, OOP or something. ECS, yes, Entity Component Systems. Entity Component Systems. You know what? Let me share a link with you. So, way back when I had like the raid options turned on, there was a lecturer that raided me, and he gave me his YouTube channel, right? And he has a whole bunch of lectures. And one of the lecture is about ECS, Entity Component System. So let me just look for his name. Just give me a moment. I'm checking out his channel on my other monitor. What is his name again? Oh crap, what's his name again? Just a moment. I just need a bit of time. Oh my god, I'm subscribed to too many channels. Where is he? Where is he? Why I have no raid option? I turned it off. Because it was too stressful. Maybe I will re-enable it when I feel more confident. Just a moment. Hey, where's the channel? How do I check my subscription by date? Just a moment. Maybe if I type computer science ECS lecture, will he turn up? Ah, found it. Dave Churchill. Yes, that's his name. Dave Churchill. These are proper lectures. You can take a look. Let me paste the link here. There's a lot of stuff, right? Even AI and whatnot. All the computer science stuff. So I guess you can just study from here, right? I remember I was watching one of his videos about ECS, because I wanted to learn about ECS as well. But there's two videos for ECS. One for the basic stuff and the other for organizing the memory, right? So this one, ECS memory pool, I think is this one. Oh, this one is C++, by the way. Yep. Okay. Okay, portal here, portal there. Oh no. Let me think. So I cannot have a short portal leading to a long portal. That's gonna be a problem. Let me make some changes here. this one, I'm going to give you an ID of 1. It's my ID. Variable 1. Alright, 1. And then this will be linked to this. And then this here will be 2. And this one will be linked to here. Is this messy enough? It's pretty messy. Okay, let me just put all of the walls here so the player don't fall through. And then have the player rest here. Okay, what else? Time to put a whole bunch of springs. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put one really close to the edge. No, maybe not that close, like this. Is this okay? So many spikes. Yeah! I wish Ayaneng is here to see it. You think this one will make the most sense to you since it comes from GameMaker and was the one that taught you with his tutorials and causes the most? Oh, okay, let me check that out. Give me a moment. Oh, Hades, yes. I actually bought one of his books for GML. I bought it for like referencing when I first started out. That's cool. Entity component system. Your thoughts after making a game. Did he implement ECS within GameMaker? That's interesting.
Because it has that component.
Main.lua. Oh, that does not look like GameMaker. It's cool. It's very cool. Spikes are bad. Shovel Knight, Hollow Knight, Mega Man, Mario. They are all good games, come on. Is this too cruel? You have the same book, look at it very briefly and never open it again. Yeah. I think it's only useful if you're like completely new to GameMaker. Yeah. And I was completely new to GameMaker back then, so I needed like, you know, I needed something that would give me the confidence, right, to start writing in GML. So I got that book. Yeah, it was helpful for like a day or two. Not the biggest reading fan anyways, and it's 1.4 and it started out into right. Yeah, I started with 1.4. I made something in 1.4. It's called Jump Over the Rings. I'm not sure if you've seen it or not. It's a very silly game. Let me see if I can find it. I think Jump Over the Rings is my most obscure game that I've ever released after graduation from uni. Let me see if I can find it. But Jump Over the Rings was fun. Hey, thanks Amanda. Here's the thing, right? When I released Jump Over the Rings, I did not do any promotion. I do not know like how to go about it at all. I did not reach out to any of the platform owners, right? So, that's the thing. Just being fun isn't enough anymore. Or maybe it wasn't enough, right from the very beginning, right? You have to promote your game no matter what. Anyways, this is Jump Over the Rings. Oh, it's a very blurry footage. I think I want to remake this one day, but I want to make it multiplayer. Yeah, you know what? One day I'm gonna remake this and make it multiplayer. Yep, there we go. James Bernard from Spring Road. Yeah, I know you are referring to James Bernard. We know each other fairly well. Have I mentioned I used to work for James? Josiah forever in his box is Okay, let's see. Oh crap! I put a whole bunch of stuff in the wrong layer. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Yeah, I work at Spring Loaded. I mean, trust me, this Singaporean indie scene is so small. We know each other. I've worked for him for quite a while actually, on a part-time basis. He found his box previously, he didn't like any box. I see. Is this a bit too cruel? How about this? Actually, composer scene is probably even smaller. One way or another, you know everyone. Not just for games, right? You're talking about the entire music composition scene. Do you reckon this is playable? Let's put more coins. I think in the later levels I can afford to have more collectibles. Even if you've never met the person, you probably have mutual friends, right? Okay. Oops, sorry. Accidentally hit the mic. Okay, I think this will do. Lots of spikes, I'm putting spikes everywhere, my god. You think SG is so small that in these kind of niche spaces everyone knows everyone? Yeah, I know, right? Definitely. Indie dev is the same thing. Yes. Yes, yes. Oops. Wow, it's taking so long to build. We all end up knowing each other. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. When is that coming? Once I find the time. I'll try to find the time, Lucius. I don't know if this will lag or not. There's a lot of keys. I don't know if it will lag on the phone. If it lags on the phone, I might have to remove like some of them. You know what? Let's just remove this. Let's be safe. No need to have that many keys. Let's try again. White color doesn't work. But changing color doesn't work? Really? Let me check. Hang on, eh? Okay. Where am I? Okay. Yeah, I just changed color. Change to a darker shade of orange. Should still work. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I think it changed it to the same color. That's the thing, right? I did not check for I did not write any code to see if like the generator color is too close to its previous colors. Oops. I was talking about colors and I ended up typing colors. 64. This one. There we go. Let's see. Oh! Dead immediately. Dead. Maybe that's not a good idea. Oh, that's fine. Okay, that works. Oh crap. You know what? I don't like that this is so tight. Let me change this part here. Like that. What's this? Would this work? Ah! Okay, there we go. Yeah, now there's more space for me to do the jump. Right? Let's try again. Oh, what time is it? Oh my god, it's almost 1. I don't want to stay up too long today. So I think I will end it in 15 minutes. So I will end at 1:15, I think. And at 1:15, take a break. And then prepare for Monday's class. Early work in progress. Oh yeah, I wrote that work in progress message because I intend to distribute the game for playtesting. Okay, let's test it out. Ah, I missed the key. God damn it, I missed another key. Oh crap. I missed one key. No, I missed one collectible. Let me try this again. There we go, that's the way we do it. Alright, 2 levels today. How's that? Hello Moko, hello. How's it going? I'm making more levels today. I actually managed to submit a game build to Apple and Google Play already. So I should be able to distribute the playtesting build very soon. It's going great. Hey, good to hear that. Okay, let's see. What other levels can I make? So I was just complaining that I don't have a lot of bounce pad levels, but to be honest, bounce pad are not very interesting. Bounce pad is not very interesting. Out of ideas already. Make a one block jump to a jump. Make a 1 block jump to a jump pad. What is a 1 block jump? Can you elaborate? Let's use another color for this one. What is a 1 block jump? A straw horse. What's a 1 block jump, Lucius? Check my Discord. Wow. Very efficient. Just a moment. Oh. I think I already have those. Oh, but you know what? I think I can do more of it. 1 block jump to a jump pad. Sure. So like testing the player's precision, right? Yeah, I think I can do that. Precision. Okay. So taking into consideration that the level has to be vertical, how can I do this? Can I have bounce pad and portals at the same time? I'll start off the same way you started off. I'll do this. Bounce pad. Right? It will bounce me to a wall. It bounce me to a wall. I think the problem with bounce pad is that it doesn't really give you any extra height. And then I will have another block here. So you have to jump here. There's another bounce pad here. Right, just to get a key here so that you can open the door right at the beginning of the level. How's that? And since this is supposed to be a difficult level, I can afford to make the level a bit longer. Alright, let's do that. Let's do that. So 3 levels today, that's not bad. See if I can make this work. Level 6, oh, so slow. Okay, level 64. Let me get rid of the portals, too many of them. Take this out. Take this out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Understood. So there are certain levels that I've like removed that I'm not gonna use anymore. One of the levels that I had to remove are levels with horizontal portals. Like, and you fall through them, right, and then you end up on falling from the ceiling. I couldn't get those to work very well, so I had to remove them, which is always a shame. Okay. Wait a second, hang on, let me make some changes here. Okay. Put the bounce pad here, right? Like that. Jump hit this part here. Oh, I think I need GM Life. Hang on. I need GM Life. Let's see if it still works. Just a moment. GM Life. I need to life reload the level. Oh no, no, stop lagging. It's this one. Damn. It's lagging. Woo! It's this one here, this macro here. Set it to 1, enable it. I have to run the server. Okay, I hope it does not lag. Let's run this. Okay. Then go back to this level. Oh. Does the redemption work? Redeem, oh yeah. Let me try. Oh yeah, it's the bot is dead, right? You know what? Let me bring it back. Let me bring it back. I don't know why it's not working. Cloud bot, right? Cloud bot. Streamlabs. Just give me a moment. Oh yeah, hang on, Let me live reload my level first. Go to 65. Whoa, lag. Okay, there we go. I need to live reload this. Sorry. Forgot one thing. I need to turn on something. Macro. Macro. True. This will make it easier. Will it lag on your phone? Oh, no idea. But why? Why did you ask? Hang on, where's the bot commands? How do you re-enable CloudBot anyways? I don't know how to work with this thing. I'm a complete noob at this. Oh, I know. Okay, turn it off. Turn it back on. Hey, turn it back on. Hey. It's not turning back. Okay, it is. Because it's lagging now. It's lagging because of the... I'm streaming and I'm turning on GM Live and everything. Yeah. This is not the same performance you'll get on device. Unless you are running a potato, maybe? Hello, Kalazor. What's up? Okay, let me test something. You just watched a couple of videos on OOP. Aha. But there's a lot about OOP that cannot be done with GML though. You know, like polymorphism and stuff. But what did you find out in those videos about OOP? Let me. Oh yeah. I wonder why I never shout out Amanda before. Let me try. There you go. Yes, it's working. Redeem. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go. It's working. Okay, sorry. Where was I? There we. Oh no. Why? My text.
Oh yeah.
My text is rendered wrongly. The hell? Okay. Find all. Find all. I need to find where you are. Where are you? My god. Debug console. Is it this one? Yeah, I don't even remember where I write the code to get the name. Room underscore get underscore name. Is that one? Persistent data manager. Game manager draw GYN. This one, there we go. Found you. Draw set H align. Alignment left. Okay, there we go. It seems like it's just over programming, and even then it can still go wrong if you don't fully understand it. Right. Yeah, don't over design the code, right? It definitely feels like it's fallen out of favor amongst some game developers. I mean, like, sometimes I listen to my peers talking about it, and yeah, they are not like. It feels like they are no longer a fan of OOP. Okay, let's see. Let's run this. Yeah, as for me, I don't really have a strong opinion on anything in particular. For me, I just want my game to run. Okay, let's see. There we go. Oh my god, do you see that lag? Okay, go to 65. Live reload. Okay. Piece of crap! Should I fix this? Run dust. This I added this recently. What did I do wrong? Hang on, eh? What is it about this that breaks the live reloading? I don't get it. No wait, I did not add this recently. This has been around for a long time. What's dependency injection? I'm not well versed enough in that to articulate about what it is, but yeah, I feel like if I try to explain it, it's just gonna show like how little I know about it. Let me think. What's the best way to? It's a way of reducing dependency, right? Between systems or between components, right? In your software. So, I think like dependency injection is like a layer above dependency inversion, which is you create an abstraction of a particular implementation. Hang on. I think it'll be better if you read out on actual papers. I think like my explanation is going to really suck. Yeah. But it requires you to design interfaces like for different systems. What's this big scary words and stuff? No, it's just like one of those patterns, right? The design patterns. Hang on, let me see if I can find. Yeah, I'm not like particularly good at like talking about a lot of this technical stuff. I have trouble, finding the right words. And part of it is also because like I'm not like super well versed in a lot of this design patterns. Just a moment, eh? There is I think. Let me see if I can find a good link. I used to watch like a couple of videos about them. So do you remember the link I sent you about the games programming patterns? I think there are people on YouTube who like did further explanation on what they are. Programming patterns. Hang on, eh? Right, I think there's a lot, right? Command pattern, right? There's one that talks about design patterns in general. I think it's okay to just look at them and get some ideas. Okay, why is this broken? Did you see Kingdom Hearts 3 on Steam? No, was it on Steam? Oh, what time is it? 1:23. Oh, I did not notice the timing. Anyways, let me see if I can fix this. Epic Games. Oh right. I don't have the Epic Game client installed. It's on PC. Right. That's cool. I wasn't expecting it to be on PC. Yeah, but then again, Square Enix has been bringing their games to PC, right? Final Fantasy has been on PC for a few years already. Run fx equals to get from pool. Get from. Why is this broken? I don't get it. Line 165. Okay, fine. Line 165. Why would it be broken? Oh right, since I'm in game GM today, what system did I say I had with the message system? Sound effects, music. I think that's about it. My debug console also uses the message bus itself, but that's about it. That's about it. Right, like music. I mean, the way I'm using it is very rudimentary. Like I have a callback right on event that will get triggered every time one of these events is fired. Alright, and then I'll just do the appropriate logic in there. And then this is how I subscribe to the different events. Yeah, that's about it. So this is the music, right? I have sound effects. And that's it, right? I should have used it on more stuff, but I did not. Yeah. So everything else I kind of coded it naively. Yeah, but I do have like, you know, certain objects, right? Like a persistent data manager. And this one handles the writing to file. Writing and loading from file. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it actually. It's not a lot. I have a game manager, but my game manager is basically just the glue, right? The glue for like all of the different objects, right? Like whether like is it the game over state or whatever. You need to learn about callbacks. Callbacks. The good thing about the latest GML is that you can do it very easily now. You can do it like really easily. Like let me turn this off. Let me you can have something like, you know, like in your create event, you can have on I don't know, on death, I don't know, whatever. On death, and then I mean, maybe if it's not defined, you can just say, oh, it's undefined, right? But you can also do this. This is an empty function. Then the thing is, at any point in time, okay, whether that is a good thing or not, I'm not sure. But at any point in time, right, you can literally just say, you can literally just do stuff like I don't know. You can change the behavior of any of these functions, right? Like assign it to a new function, and then it would work, right? Because all you need to do is if it's not undefined. I think you can do it like this, right? This would be, I don't know, maybe this is on a certain event, whatever. Alright, you can just do this. It's not like how do I put it? You can just treat it as if it's a variable. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted to say. You can treat it as if it's a variable. Isn't that just like alarm in a sense? Because you can do an event perform, right, with alarm. User, what do you call it again? User event user. Event other event other event user 0, something like that, right? But this kind of sucks, right? Like the event is called user 0. It's it's not very helpful to call an event user 0 or user 1. Yeah, I think. Besides, you can take in parameters, which is always helpful, right? Some data, whatever, like do some stuff like this. Yeah, the parameters is helpful, which I think is not like, it's not doable with the event perform, right? I don't think you can pass any parameters into the alarm. I think. Again, I'm not super sure. I feel like I need to I feel like I need to like give a disclaimer. Like whatever I say, take it with a pinch of salt. Yeah. Event perform, event other, event user 0. Yeah. It's one of the reasons why I don't use this much, right? Because this is just not very informative. There's also one more thing that makes me not use this as much, and that is that the order of execution is not very obvious. Like I always forget like what is the order of executions, right, for the different events. Like for example, begin step comes first, then step, then end step, right? And then there's some collision events and so on and so forth. Then when exactly is the alarm triggered? This one I can never remember it. Yeah. So sometimes the order of events is important, right? Otherwise we might end up having some weird logical flaws. Yeah, but with these, right, this one you're probably calling this in say the step event, right? So it's very obvious. Yeah. It's just my opinion. Okay, I still have not figured out why my thing was crashing. Should I bother fixing it? Or should I just make the level? You know what, I'm not gonna... I'll figure out why it's crashing. Every once in a while this happens. Anyways, let me just turn off GM Live. I will figure this out off stream. GM Live, set it back to 0. I'll just make my levels the old-fashioned way. Oh, you're looking at something earlier? Juju Adams! Do later. Deferred code execution. Aha! It makes it easier to execute code after a certain amount of time has passed. A trigger condition has been met, or an async event has been fired. Right. That's handy. That's very handy. That's cool. That's cool. There's probably some kind of manager that's keeping track of all of the different tasks, right? That is fired. That's very nice. I have a very quick hack object. Hang on. I have this thing called create instance delete. Which is like a lousier version of what he had. Underscore x underscore y, the object ID followed by time. How long before you create the object? So essentially I create this thing called a create delay object. And then this create delay object knows what type of object it's supposed to create. Like this one, object type. And then there are certain events that is fired, right? So this one is on destroy. On destroy, by default it will do nothing, but I can like assign different behaviors to this function, so that upon destruction, right, it will call this. Yeah. But of course this is like very compared to this, mine is like super primitive. So is it like an alarm with more functionality? You mean like what I have? Or what I have? I guess what I have is, yeah, kind of like an alarm. Kind of like an alarm, yeah. An alarm that fires once. Alarm with more functionality, yeah, that sounds about right. Because like when the object gets destroyed, I can call I can invoke the callback function and do other stuff. I feel like there's too much spacing. I'm not sure. You know what, let me run this and test it out. The callback stuff. No, the callback stuff is essentially just functions that you can call at any time, right? And then you can assign different functions to an identifier, right? To a name, and then you can call it as and when you need them. Custom alarm system for GameMaker. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Hey, that's nice. Cool. Wow, that's a lot of scripts. When was it last updated? 2 months ago. That seems pretty new. Is it 2 months ago? I can't. How do we know? What's the date? More info. April last year. Right. It's very cool. Let me see if I have like other example of callback functions. Let me see if I can find my FSM. Finite state machine. So I know like my player object is coded very crappily, but I have like other objects that makes use of my FSM struct. So you can see that you can see, right, a state of an object consists of 3 different substates, right? So like there is the on enter, on update, and on exit. And these 3 things are actually functions that I'm passing in. So I'm saying that like if I were to go to where I use this FSM, right, you can kind of see, right, my cannon uses the FSM. So you can kind of see, so this is my cannon. My cannon has an instance of the FSM object, right? And the FSM can define the state like so. So I say like, hey, I want to add a state to this cannon, and I want to add an idle state. In order for idle state to be properly defined, it needs to have 3 functions: idle, enter, idle update, and idle exit. And as you can see, right, these are all defined here as 3 different functions. Here, they're empty, empty functions, right? But then of course there are also the loaded enter, loaded update, loaded exit. So all of these functions that is defined, right, I can pass it to the finite state machine, and then the finite state machine will just handle the transition between states. So I guess that's one way of making use of callback functions. Oh, when it was updated, it was above that. Oops. Ah, just earlier this year. Right. Yeah, sorry. The mouse stopped working. Yeah. I turned off my camera and then I'm just playing an animation on loop because my ambient light, the ambient lighting in my room is a bit terrible. So the program cannot pick up where my face is. Yeah. So it tend to only work in the afternoon. Okay. Where was I? Alright, I need to run this. Yeah, it's 2 AM for me. Actually, it's more than just the ambient lighting. It's the combination of factors. The ambient lighting is poor, and I'm also wearing glasses. And the glare from my glasses make it such that the program cannot recognize my face. Technology, am I right? Technology. Oops. Oh, seems to work. Let's repeat this another time. Let's try this again. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Like when you try different VR headsets, some of them you know they didn't design it with glasses. Yeah, definitely, right? Definitely. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be a messy level. Messy level. Hey, don't worry about sharing the links. I love them. Interface in game. Wait a second, is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Amanda, is this your friend's project? Amanda, you there? Amanda? This one. Interface in games. Is it this exact website? Oh, it's not this one? Aha, I see, I see. So your friend has another one. I didn't realize that there's a website for all the AAA interface. Let me see. Thanks, man. This is very cool. Inventory. Let's see. This is all from Assassin's Creed, okay. Fighting game. Look at that. Dragon Ball Fighter Z. Your game? Which one? Where is it? Oh right, you worked at Ubisoft for a while, right? Yeah. Oh, it's like if you need reference for dialogue, level editors, and loading screen, etc., etc. Thank you. This is useful. Thanks, man. Thank you. Oh, by the way, one of my favorite games on the Switch is ARMS. Anyone play ARMS? It's so good. So good. It's so underrated. Okay, oh, wonderful. Let me bookmark this. Let me run this as well. I guess I'll end it at 2. If I go on the main page, I should be able to scroll down and get a better view rather than the individual games. If I go to the main page, I should be able to scroll down and get a better view. Let me main page. But this is the main page, right? Scroll down. Elements. Is it this one? Inventory. Oh, Doom Eternal. Good game. Oh, Greece. Wonderful. This game looks so bloody beautiful. Menu transition, I see. Good reference. Yeah, Greece was such a beautiful game, I know, right? Da, 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 da. 65. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? You know what? Wait, let me think. Bounce, slide, jump, slide, bounce, slide, bounce. Sure, let's do a few more bouncing. trying to get some rhythm in there. Oh, right. Your friend's one is called Game UI Database. Right. Let me check that out again. Is this one like indie focused? There we go. They're AAA as well. I see. Assist mode, right? Ahead in time. I feel like I want to play it someday. Setting menus. Button layout is important. Are there any mobile games in here? Or do I... Mobile games. Yeah, mobile games, Pocket Camp, there we go. Nice. Very nice. Okay, I think I need the level to be a bit higher. Key. Let's drop a key here. Let's drop a key here. Don't know if this key will work. And then I will put some collectibles here. There we go. So now you have to figure out how to get there, right? Okay, I'll make it slightly easier for them. Let's do this. Okay, let's try. There's a page to contribute if I want to put my game. Should I? There's nothing much to show for mine, right? My UI is really basic. It's a simple game, so it has a very simple UI. It's up to me? Okay. 65. There we go. Okay. Yep. Understandable. It will crash because I did not generate the necessary IDs for the collectible. You can search UI by store as well. Oh, that's very useful. Yeah, I'm done, right? Yeah, I think I'm done. Woo! I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I just need to generate this. Like if I want to see the pixel UI, oh, you know what? Let me check it out. Oh, this is good. This is good. I like how big the text are. Very nice. Why is alien isolation here under pixel? Broforce. What is this? Broforce, right? I didn't realize there are like 3D graphics in Broforce. Interesting. Boondock Bros. Cool. Very, very cool. Okay, I have 3 levels. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Okay, so just a recap. I made 3 levels. First one being this, very spike heavy. Second one being this, even more spike heavy, but this time combined with portals. Right, so the idea is I'm making some levels for the later levels. For you know, like I have 6 worlds at the moment. That's 54 levels, and for most part, right, all these levels are not difficult. For most part, I'm pretty sure there are some levels that is still very difficult, right? John has told me that he had some trouble beating certain levels already, right? But these levels will be for like the later worlds, like maybe world 9, 10, and 11. So I want them to be like devious, right? Like I love making difficult levels. So yeah, so this level in particular requires you to jump at just the right spot. Let's demonstrate this. Level 63. Time for you to unrest and get to coding yourself. Nice. But anyway, you asked earlier, right? Like what dependency injection is. I can't give you a like solid answer, but it's just a way to reduce dependency between, you know, two objects or 2 systems. I think that's like one way of looking at that. Okay, go to 63. This one. Eh? I did not collect this last bit here. Okay, anyways, it requires me to jump at just the right spot, like this. Ta-da! Got it. That's one level, and then there's level 64, which makes ample use of a bounce pad. So one of my gripes with like the levels I've made is that I don't make enough use of bounce pad. I feel like if I make a mechanic, right, they should be well utilized. So here I am with bounce pads. So this is a bounce pad level. Let's take a look at this. Right, jump, collect, collect. Ah! Crap. Oh, you get the idea. Like the bounce pad will actually throw you into the spike, so you have to be careful. There we go. Right? Of course, there is level 65. Again, it's a bounce pad level. This level not as dangerous as the previous one. Right? The only thing that will kill you is this part here. But this is more about precision, right? Lucius say that, oh, why don't I make a level that requires you to be precise with your jump, right? You know, to land on the pad that is only like a single tile width. So that. Ta-da! Got the key. Now I can head back. But on my way back, I can collect some coins. Ta-da! And that's it. That's it. So yeah, I have 3 levels and they are not exactly easy levels, so I quite like them so far. Okay, you're following along this anime character modeling tutorial in Blender. It's in Japanese, but you don't need to know Japanese. Oh, that's good. That's good. Look forward to your model then. Okay, I think I'll call it here. There will be no dev chat tomorrow because I have an appointment tomorrow. And starting Monday, I think I'll be doing a stream on Monday. But starting Monday, right, my streaming schedule will have to change because my part-time work has resumed. Yeah. But Brawlhalla tomorrow, maybe. I cannot confirm. Streaming class? No, I cannot do that. Series is super long, you're only at part 2. Well, have fun. Blender, eh? Yeah, I want to learn Blender one day. Okay. Hey, thanks everyone for hanging around. Thank you so much. I think I will go ahead and have a rest. Alright, hope to see you all again soon. Bye bye.